Okay, this is day 2 of Module 4, Lesson 3. We're on the what do you remember. There are 3 questions here, so I want you to try those out, and then when you think you got them, play this to see if you got them right. So here's our first one. We have 8, 5, 8, 8 divided by 4, 5, 2. Okay, there's 4 numbers. 452 cannot fit into 8, it cannot fit into 85, and it can only fit into 858 once. So subtracting, and then we have this 8, so we're going to drop them down. And we say 452, I'm going to say 9, because if I multiply by 10, this would be 4,520. So let's look at 9. 9's good. It gets you that whole number pretty quickly. Now, sometimes you're not going to guess the number on the first time, and it's going to take you a little bit while longer, but that's okay. Okay, let's look at our next one. 880 divided by 90. 90 cannot fit into 8. It cannot fit into 88, but it can fit into 889 times. And when I do that, if I take 9 times 9, I get 81, and I just add my 0 onto the end. So I have 90, remainder 70. And our last one is a word problem, but that's okay. Let's just pick out the key things we did. A college student has $4,032 he earned from working during the summer. If he earned $288 per week, how many weeks did he work? So we're going to take those two numbers and we're going to divide them. So I have 4,032 divided by 288. Now, 288 cannot fit into 4 or 40, but it can fit into 403. Only once, though, because if we double it, it would be too big. 13 minus 8 gives us 5. And then we get a 1 and a 1, and we're going to bring down our 2. Now we have to see how many times 288 can go into 1,152. I'm going to try 4. 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, it's going to go in evenly. Don't be like me the way I did here. Line your stuff up. I wrote a little terribly there. Okay. Guys, I know long division takes long for some of you, hence the name, but just take your time and go slow and you're going to be just fine. If you need to use your multiplication chart, use your multiplication chart.